Hello everyone and welcome to your third Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, Creating a Project Part 2. In this tutorial we will learn more about how to create a project and we will go into a little more details of the things. Now let's start. As you all remember, in the second tutorial we left the video, audio and capture properties. So let's go into them right now. First is the video display format. So the display format here refers to the time code, or how will you be viewing the time over here. For example, when we view the clock, so we see that 12 hours time is given on the clock. So when we see on the wall clock, there are 12 numbers numbered from 1 to 12, and then the hour hand and the minute hand tells us what time is being shown exactly. The same way in the digital clocks, you see that it is a format of hours, then a semicolon, minutes, colon, and then seconds. So the time code refers to hours, minutes, seconds, and frames. That is the time code, and that is the time code we will be using in our tutorials, and it is one of the most popular used time codes also. The other time codes are feet plus frames and frames. The frames time code will give you only the number of the frame you are working on. For example, there are 25 frames in 1 second. So at 10 seconds there will be 250 frames. So the frame number will be the 250th frame where you will be working, and that will be displayed over here. Now these other two, feet plus frame 16mm and 35mm, refer to the length of the reel that we use to capture the video format, and these are used in the film production in the higher ends. Moving on to the next option is the display format of audio. The display format of audio is how will you be viewing the time code of your audio. Audio samples means that it will adapt the time code of the media we provided, and the milliseconds will give that how many milliseconds have passed in the audio that you are hearing. And the third is the capture format. Now if we link this software directly to a camera, then we can record and directly send the data from the camera to the software. So this format tells us that in which format or in what code will the data be transmitted from the camera to the software. And since DV is the most popular one being used widely, you can install more capture formats through external softwares. So we are all set to go from here. Let's just press OK. And the next screen will pop up where we have to decide the dimensions and more detailing of our project. We will learn about this in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.